2021 Best Russian Moscow VPS Provider, by TheServerHost. Russia, or the Russian Federation, is a vast country spanning Central Europe and Western Asia. It is currently the world's largest country by total area, covering more than half of the Earth's continental landmass, and encompassing over 1/8 of its total population. What are the different types of VPS? VPS is an acronym for Virtual Private Server. This is a very powerful web hosting feature that has created a revolution in today's market. Russia VPS hosting is the ideal choice for businesses that need to have more than one website hosted, and it can save a huge amount of money. TheServerHost Russian VPS Provider benefits. Security. One of the biggest advantages that Russia VPS offers is the fact that you will be able to implement all kinds of advanced security measures into your VPS server. The level of security that you can achieve with VPS is second to none. You will be provided with a dedicated IP address. With a VPS, you will be able to run any kind of software program or application that you want to on your VPS server, as well as being able to add in any other type of security features if needed. Daily backup. Your data will be backed up daily and automatically, so you will never have to worry about losing any data, no matter what happens. With the Russia VPS, you might also find that you are offered a better deal, because with dedicated server hosting, you would pay a higher price for each website that you wanted to host. Flexible. There might be times when you need additional features for your web hosting needs. You can always upgrade to the next level, so that you are provided with increased security features, more bandwidth, and even more disk space. If you need all these features, then you will certainly have to pay a higher price for them. However, if you are just looking for extra resources, then Russia VPS is probably the best option for you. You will be able to use as much storage space as you want, and you will be able to increase your bandwidth as much as you would like. Data protection. Russia VPS provides the exact same features that you would get from shared hosting, but it is protected behind a firewall. You won't have to share your server with anyone, so you will be able to maintain the privacy of your files. In addition, you won't have to share your bandwidth with anyone else, which will ensure that you are getting all of the security that you need for your site. Complete freedom. When you start looking at the different Russia VPS packages that are out there, you will be able to see that they offer many different options for you to choose from. With virtual private servers, you will be able to customize the software that will run on your virtual platform. You might get a greater level of freedom than you would with dedicated hosting, since you would be able to manage your website independently. You can install all of the applications that you like and tweak them to fit your needs and budget, which make VPS web hosting very flexible for people who are looking to save money and keep control over their own websites. One of the greatest advantages of VPS or virtual private servers is the cost. This web hosting service is very cost-effective and ideal for small business. It is ideal for large businesses, and Russia VPS allows you to have complete control over the web server. With this service, you get more bandwidth and disk space than what you can get from shared web hosting services. You also get all the advantages of dedicated web hosting without paying a big amount for it. Ease of use. VPS is easier to use than shared servers. Unlike shared servers, you have only one single server that serves all your websites. In other words, you don't have to deal with network latency and other problems that come along with such a setup. Because you have only one single server to deal with, it becomes easier for you to administer your VPS properly. Managed dedicated server. Russia VPS is managed dedicated servers by their web host. With this type of web hosting, you will be given control over the entire system. You won't need to deal with the problems that come with operating systems, or having to adjust your hosting plan to accommodate growth. The web host will take care of those things for you. You simply need to continue using the software as you did before. Overall, Russia VPS is ideal for people who need more than shared hosting and want to be able to customize their websites. If you work on a shared platform, it would be extremely difficult to make changes without waiting for the administrator to do it. You will also find that VPS is much cheaper than dedicated, which is another reason that you should consider it if you are running an online business. The features that you would get would be comparable to what you would get with dedicated hosting, so you would never have to pay more than you need to. All in all, if you want to keep control over your website, use VPS, because it would give you everything that you need at a price that you can afford. Data center at and IP based at Moscow, St. Petersburg, Krasnoyarsk. More info, https://theserverhost.com/vps/Russia. Russia dedicated, https://theserverhost.com/dedicated/Russia.